Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about photosynthesis. So what is photosynthesis? Well, before we go into the definition, let's first break down the word. So the prefix for the word is photo, which means light. The root word is synthesis, which is the process of combining two or more components to produce something. Okay, so what is photosynthesis? Well, now that we know what the word means and how we've broken it down, let's learn the definition of it. Photosynthesis is the process in which plants use water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight to make their own food, as well as produce oxygen. So here you can see that I've provided a visual. And in this photo there is a plant, and you can see the elements that it uses to produce its food, which is sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide, and it then releases oxygen. Okay, so just take a look at that, and you're welcome to take notes during the process. What exactly is happening? Well, when photosynthesis is occurring in the plant will absorb water through its roots. The plant will then distribute the water throughout the entire plant. So here you can see that I have a photo of two plants. One that has access to water, and one that has a low shortage of water. And so you can see that the plant is absorbing the water through its roots, and it's going to travel up and all the way through the rest of the plant so that it can be healthy and strong. Here you can see that the plant that has a low amount of water is wilted, looks rather weak, and not as strong as the one to the left. So what does carbon dioxide have to do with it? Well, carbon dioxide is a gas that is present in the air, and the plant will absorb the gas through its leaves. The plant's leaves have small pores called stomata. So here you can see that I inserted a photo, and this is the leaf. So the bottom part of the leaf is where the stomata is located, and it's a small, tiny pore that absorbs the carbon dioxide. Sunlight. So the sunlight provides plants with energy. The plant's leaves have layers of cells called mesophyll cell, chloroplasts, and granule. The chloroplast contains chlorophyll, which captures the light energy from the sun. The chlorophyll gives the leaves of the plant their beautiful green color. What happens when the light is captured? When the light energy is captured by the chlorophyll, the plant will store the energy in the granium member where the photosynthesis occurs. So this is a very important process for photosynthesis. And here you can see a visual of how it happens. So here are the leaves, and then this photo right here is the leaf itself, and it's giving you a visual how the leaf absorbs the light, and then it's transmitted out. When it's reflected out, it has a beautiful green color. What happens next? The plant is now in the process of making its own food called glucose, which is sugar. The glucose is distributed throughout the plant to nourish it. So here is the process. It is the sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. And when the plant absorbs all of that, it creates the glucose, which nourishes the plant. What about the oxygen? Well, oxygen is released from the plant and is breathed in through other living beings like humans and animals due to the occurrence of the photosynthesis in the plant. So, photosynthesis itself. Here is an overall picture of what exactly is happening when photosynthesis occurs. So we're just going to review again. Now, the plant takes energy from the sunlight. It also absorbs the carbon dioxide through the leaves, called the stomata, underneath here, which gives it its beautiful color, and it wouldn't be able to do that without the chlorophyll. And let's not forget the water. So the water is absorbed through its roots, and then it travels throughout the whole entire plant. Now, when this all occurs, it creates glucose, which is its food. And when that happens, the plant will then release oxygen, which humans and animals benefit from. Now, this cycle repeats itself because humans and animals release carbon dioxide, and it will just repeat and repeat and repeat. So, if you need to review this further, please go ahead, start the lesson all over again, and we will review this and continue our lesson tomorrow in class. Thank you, and bye-bye.